Today, we will teach you how to make toenails extension. The preparation processes are the same as nail extension. Then you need to file your toenails and remove dust. Apply base coat and cure for 60 seconds. File the tips and apply base coat. Squeeze out some nail tips adhesive gel on the toenail tips. You don't need too much, otherwise it's hard to cure well. Press them lightly against your toenails and cure for 60 seconds. Trim off the excess. Then smooth the edges of toenail tips with a nail file. To make sure the gel polish firmly adheres to toenail tips, you need to file the surface. Then apply base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Now, you can apply the gel polish you like. If you want more design inspiration, you can visit our other social media. Finally, you need to apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Look, a perfect toenail extension design is complete.